He's
All right.
recording.
We're gonna ignite this. Ready? Ready?
Wait.
Okay.
Take it out of the coffee filter so the filter doesn't catch on fire.
What's wrong with the filter catching on fire?
You won't be able to see it, it'll be too smoky.
Okay.
Oh, if it happens, you'll be able to see it.
Good? Tap down. Okay. You got it, Sam?
Yep. And recording.
Look, it's glowing.
It's too good, it was fast. Yay!
Oh.
Did you record it?
Yep.
I think it's it. It's done. I don't know, it looks pretty dead.
Pretty sure it's dead. Brian, stop being a pyro.
But it's so fun. Shut up. I hate you.
And Brian is now lighting the coffee filter on
That's
fire.
it. It's done.
Yep.
Yep. Okay. Show's over.
And